Hello, my name is Carla Valdivia, and I am coming before you today as a graduate student of Texas State University School of Social Work. I am here to testify in regards to Texas House Bill 3859. Before my testimony, I would like to thank the committee for having me here today and allowing me to speak against this bill. Nearly 6 months ago, in his State of the State address, Governor Greg Abbott declared that fixing the broken child welfare system was Texas's top priority. Yet in June of 2017, he signs into law HB 3859, a discriminatory bill which allows adoption and foster care agencies to turn away qualified Texans seeking to care for a child in need of a home. Under this law, LGBTQ couples, non-Christian couples, and single moms can be denied the chance to adopt or foster a child. Ladies and gentlemen, the Texas foster care system is overloaded with children in need of permanent homes. Some places are so overcrowded that there are children sleeping in CPS offices and on concrete floors. In April, a child temporarily housed in a Houston CPS was struck and killed by a car when she tried running away. The agency simply couldn't find a foster care provider for her. The state should be doing everything in its power to help children find suitable and loving homes, instead of creating unnecessary hurdles for qualified couples looking to foster or adopt a child. Not only does this bill, unscrupulously titled the Freedom to Serve Children Act, harm children by keeping them in the system for longer times, but it also gives foster care organizations the right to place a child in a religious-based school and refuse to work with agencies that don't share their beliefs. Research shows that LGBTQ youth are overrepresented among the foster care population. These groups of children are particularly vulnerable as they face an enormous amount of adversity, not just from society, but from rejection from their own families because of their sexual identities. These children need to know that when they are taken away from violent and abusive homes, they are in the care of people who are tolerant and accepting, no matter what. However, under the guise of religion, this law is giving agencies permission to challenge children's sexual identities and even practice conversion therapy if that is in their belief. LGBTQ adults can provide loving homes to hundreds of children, especially those who might also identify as LGBTQ. However, here in Texas, couples that don't fit the bill of what a traditional family looks like under the eyes of God will be denied the chance of fostering or adopting a child. I may not identify as an LGBTQ individual, but as an unwed woman in her mid-30s who may want to adopt one day, I am outraged to know that here in the state of Texas, I can be denied by some agencies simply because I do not share their religious beliefs. Even though I am college educated and have no criminal history, faith-based religion agencies have license to deny me that right because I am not married or Christian. Supporters of this bill argue that it's not meant to be exclusionary, but rather helpful because it would protect faith-based agencies from being sued and therefore encourage more participation in the child welfare system. However, with 24 different bills aimed at restricting LGBTQ rights in Texas, one can't help but wonder, how much is this about protecting children's rights, and how much is this about pushing a political agenda? Governor Abbott and other Texas legislators should be more concerned about protecting the welfare of children instead of protecting the rights of religious-based agencies. Thank you very much for your time.